Howdy, James here from Kicks in Maryland, and I'm back to another review. To follow up on my recent Nike luggage review that you can find at the link above, I'm going to take a look at the high price Nike kind of recovery tool. This comes in three variations. You can do the high price pro or the kind of the go. I got the kind of the one that's essentially like in the middle, and I thought that was kind of best for me. So it's the high price Hypervolt 3, and the reason I went with this one is the Go version, which I guess is the most travel friendly, smaller, only came with a couple of attachments. I think it was 2 attachments. And in terms of the pressure and the battery hour life, wasn't as good. The Pro, on the other hand, which is the top of the line, $350, kind of just seemed too big to travel with, but also kind of the other one wasn't kind of enough in regards to what you wanted. What I'm essentially saying is that I wanted one that I could both travel with, but also kind of, if I wasn't traveling, was also a good one. So I went for the one in the middle. And it comes with 5 different heads for different kind of therapies, if you want, kind of calf muscle, kind of back muscles and all that type of stuff, along with then 5 different speeds and a good kind of 4-hour battery life, which I think is pretty solid. So I'm going to kind of take it out of the box itself, take a look at it, see what it weighs, see what it feels like in my hand, and see hopefully there is some battery charge to it, and we can give it a go. Okay, so it comes in this nice, I guess you could say, somewhat travel bag, bigger than I might have anticipated, but then very nicely kind of laid out. So different kind of attachments that you can kind of get are all safely kind of secured in the box. So the box has different compartments for the different attachments that you would need, which is quite good. Obviously it comes with one on it, and I think this is a ability to do heat, so you can turn this one on, and I think it does like hot or cold, which is actually kind of cool. So if you kind of want to do heat therapy or cryotherapy, you have that option too. Also then comes obviously with a wall charger, and what's nice about this one, which I don't think the Go version it comes with different attachments for wherever you're going in the world. So if you're looking to travel kind of the UK, Europe, kind of Asia, Australia and so forth, comes with a designated attachment. So that's quite smart, always useful on the go. Obviously then we have the charger, and again there's a compartment for all this stuff so that it kind of stays organized, so that's good. Also comes with a USB charger, I see on this side. So you can kind of charge it with your regular USB-C if you don't want to take the whole kind of power cord with you. And then obviously it comes with, I guess, your manual and so forth. You do have the ability to download an app, the High Price app, where it kind of then would modify possibly the pressure, so forth, to make it a little more customized for you. So the gun itself weighs about, I think they said about kind of just over 2 pounds. I think it was 2.2 possibly. The Go variation was, I think, about 1.9, 1.8, and then the Pro, the big one, is the I think it was 2.4 or so. So see if it has any battery to it. Oh, yep, it does. So that's good. There we go. So rotate for. So that's 1, 2. I mean, obviously for you guys to see, it might not be that easy, but you can kind of 3, 4, 5. So that's top speed. That's a good amount of pace right there, and also quite quiet, which is nice. So I'm gonna turn it off. So yeah, so overall, I think happy medium in terms of the size, kind of nothing too big, but also big enough that you get what you want. And I think mainly that comes from the attachments. I think is definitely a pro. You know, kind of the different attachments is going to help you depending on obviously your needs. like I said, the Go variation, the travel size one, really only had, I think, 2 attachments. And then I think that the Pro variation, I think, was just kind of too big. And also price point, 150 for the Go, 250 for this one here, and 350. You know, you're kind of pushing some serious money. So I will be using it over the next few weeks. So I'm going to send out the video now for you guys to kind of get an idea about it, but then I will definitely comment on kind of how I thought it felt. But if you have any suggestions, if you have one yourself, or pros, cons of it, or you want any specific feedback in regards to how a certain function works, feel free to reach out to me. But again, please hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back again with another review.
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide.